I like you cause you're fine, but you ain't narcissistic. I let you know what's up when I be coming round. That's why you fuck with me and not these other clowns.
What's up, guys? Welcome to So Now What. I'm here with Ali.
Hey guys.
I'm gonna teach her how to ride this dirt bike. She's ridden a semi-automatic one before, but never a fully manual. She goes. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna move the bike over this way because I do not want her running. Why are you showing that?
So they know.
No, over there because I do not want her running into the house or that tree bark. So. Alright, babe. Put the kickstand up. Alright. So remember what I told you. Clutch and accelerate a little bit. When you lean on that one goes up. Right. We're gonna try it again. Hold on to that clutch.
Huh?
Always hold on to the clutch. Alright, release.
I'm doing it.
Okay, now release. Okay, release. Release completely. Accelerate. Where are you going? Alright, you just saw what happened. Alright, she's hopping on now. Let's see how part 2 goes. I hope she doesn't fall. Oh, there she goes. Go, go!
I go to the side. That's not fair.
After falling many times, go straight instead of into the trees and down. Go, accelerate, accelerate, and release the clutch. Hold the clutch.
No.
Oh my God. Where are you going?
Oh,
Move your hand. Where are you going?
I don't know. It doesn't
That
let me
way.
go straight. It's like, I don't understand. I'm trying to go straight, but it just doesn't let me go straight.
Alice said she burned her leg. Let's go. Clutch in. You look good. Come on. Clutch in. Alright. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. Put your feet up and accelerate. Oh my God. She's going into the bushes. Keep accelerating. Keep accelerating. Clutch in. Clutch in. Clutch in. Ah! Again. Alright. Let's see if this is it. Hopefully she doesn't fall this time.
You know what sucks if I crash
Into that car? Yeah, that really sucks. You got it. Clutch in, clutch in.
Oh my God.
Accelerate.
I'm scared.
Accelerate. Oh my God, where's she going? Where are you going? You're supposed to stop here. Where are you going? Oh, she can't stop. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Clutch in and brake. Oh my God. Where were you going?
I don't know. I did it. How do I stop
You did a high five.
this?
Gotta take it back to the house. Oh yeah, you did that. Alright. So we're gonna go see the deer right now. Park it.
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah. Alright guys, so here are the deer I was talking about. You got one there, one there. These guys are always here. They're very friendly too. Oh, these are the little ones. Wow, they grew up fast. Look at the other one. The mom is somewhere. This one's nice. Smile. Smile. Come on, baby. Oh, what's up? Alejandra's there after almost crashing. Oh, look. They're running. Where are you going? Alright, look. Right here. Hey, come back. Come back. Come back. Alright, never mind. Right, babe?
Right.
Alright, cool.
Okay, guys, so I know I failed like, I don't remember how many times I failed, but I think I failed like 3, 4, maybe 5 times. But I got it. We got it done. So that's what counts. I'm about to go do it again. I'm feeling it. I think the universe is on my side today and they're gonna help me go around the house. I think that's what he said. I don't know.
You have a what? A wedgie? Alright, you gotta go around the tree and come back, alright?
Around the tree and come back.
around the tree and come back. And successfully stop without dropping it. Easy. Easy. Andrea has to go around that tree, come back here, successfully stop without dropping the bike. Let's see if she can do it. You're good. Go a little bit faster. Oh my God, she's gonna do it. She might do it. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Accelerate. Come on. Wait, this way, this way, this way. Clutch in and brake. She did it. No way. How do you feel?
I feel amazing.
You feel amazing?
Yep.
A thank you speech.
Thank you to who? To the universe. I told you guys it's gonna help me do it.
The universe?
Yep.
Alright, cool. Oh my God, guys. I hope we don't die. Oh my God. Oh my God. We're going into the street. Wow, we're in the street, guys. There's a car behind us. It's alright. Car coming close, you see it? Now we could go. Oh, I stole that shit. They're
Trying to go
talking
Mariah,
caca.
and we literally like.
Alright guys, this is Ale, I'm Aris. Thank you guys for watching. So now
I like you cause you're fine, but you ain't nothing.